Hello, class. In this example, we're going to go ahead and see how often words occur. So we're going to count all the words, but before we do that, we have to throw them into data. But before we do that, or data object, and before we do that, we have to open the text. So let's begin. We're going to ask the user to input the file name. We're going to take that file name, we're going to open it, and we have our try except, which we'll test. If we, I'll put in a fake file name and make sure this works. We create an empty dictionary called counts, where we're going to put our data, and we say for each line in our file, the line split, right? So every line is its own entity, and we're going to split on a space. So we're going to grab each word, and then we have a nested for loop for each word in words. If word not in counts, so it's going to check our dictionary to see if the word is in counts. Counts word equals 1. Else counts word plus 1 itself. So it'll count every word and go up in value. So let's put this to the test. It's at F5. Let's go ahead and run this. Save it. So file name is Romeo Full. It's, I believe, Scene 2, Act 2. So we'll say Romeo, is it a dash or underscore? Dash full dot txt. We'll hit enter. It's done. It's that easy. Well, let's print the counts, because that's our dictionary, right? And now we see our dictionary of words with their values, like repetition is 1, silver sweet is 1. You notice it didn't break any words. We didn't go into any crazy logic to where we're separating words on delimiters or looking for punctuation, things of that nature. But it's pretty quick, down and dirty, right? It breaks on a space, calls it a word, and then counts it. Well, this is good, but really difficult for the naked eye to see. So let's take it a step further. Down here, we're going to create an empty list. Let me remove this right here. Put this up here. We're going to create an empty list, and then we're going to say for key value in our dictionary of items, in our counts of items, list.append, so we're going to append to our list the key and the value in its own list. And then we're going to take that list when it's complete, and we're going to sort it in reverse. So what will that do? That will sort it in reverse. We'll take a look. We'll take a look at the data. We'll cancel this out right here. And we'll do this, and then we'll do it again. So I'm going to go ahead and run this. I'm going to save it. Right? What happened there? Counts is not defined because I commented all this out, right? Well, we'll remove the comments. We'll start fresh with the brand new one. I'll hit F5 here. Enter file name, romeofull.txt. Hit enter. There we go. Now, what we have here, without this list sorted in reverse, we said for each key value in list, slice it from the beginning, go 10 deep. So we're getting our first 10 entries in our list. Okay. Well, let's do this again, except let's sort it in reverse. Now, we're saying list sort in reverse. What do you think it's going to sort by? Oh, what did you... I didn't close it. You see, I didn't close the file. And that's what happens when you don't close a file. So we opened the file. I tried to reopen it, and Python gave me an error saying that it was already in use. So the important thing here is, where's our file at? This joker right here, right? Input, file name, F-hand, and then we open it, right? Open F name. Let's close F name. Run that again. Romeo-full.txt. Oh, what happened there? No attribute close. Now let's take a look at this error. I said fname.close. Fname was input. The file itself is fhand. So we change that. Romeo-full. There we go. So now let's take a look at our reverse sort. So we ran through our list. We dumped the values from our dictionary into our list. Then we sorted that list in reverse. And then we said basically for the key value in list, start at 0, go to 10. Since we sorted it in reverse, we had our sorted dictionary by the values in reverse. So we now have a list of high value words. I was used 60 times, A was used 22, as opposed to just the first 10 in the list. So super handy, super cool. A lot of use cases for this. Especially if you're looking for like parsing logs in cybersecurity, you can parse them pretty effectively looking for domain names, impacted user names, counts of how many times event IDs happened and your top event IDs firing. Use cases are endless for this type of logic right here. So hope you enjoyed it. There'll be more to come.